Hey guys, Harrison here from Tool Talk, and today on Tool Talk TV we are doing an unboxing of the Ledlenser iF4R Music Floodlight. Before we open it up though, please remember I am not a trades professional, so I will literally just be going through what is in the box. So with that out of the way, let's get into it. So let's take a look inside this box, shall we? Okay, first of all, what I'm seeing here is instructions. Nobody reads those. Please read the instructions before any use of any electrical goods. I don't want to be responsible. And then we have, this is a bulky piece of kit, this is. Good weight to it. Heavy is good. Heavy is reliable. I mean, I've just gone straight into the main event here. Let me just double check. Okay, I think I've turned that on. Searching for Bluetooth. Let me just double check if there's anything else in the box. We've got a few more instructions. 7-year warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Charge cable, 3-pin plug, USB to what looks like a unique connector on the back. Simple to charge, plug it in, and you can see we've got, it's trying to connect right now. And then this cool little, that's magnetized, charge it, simple. And that is it, that is the Ledlenser iF4R Music Floodlight. I can't show you the lights because there's no battery in it, so it needs to charge. But it's actually trying to connect to Bluetooth now. Handle to carry, it feels sturdy, robust. Also looks like it's got magnets across the bottom as well, so you can stick it against a wall. So you're, I don't know, servicing a boiler or working in somewhere in some sort of dark space. You can stick this to a wall or a beam, hopefully. Angle the floodlight as you need to and crank up the tunes like it's a Friday night, every night. And that's it, that is the Ledlenser iF4R Music Floodlight. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more unboxings, product reviews from our Testers Club, product demos with brands, and much more. If you're not already part of Tool Talk, where you can save money on the tools you love, click the link in the description, download the app, and join Tool Talk for free today.